In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull data from another Google Sheets spreadsheet fixed today. Here, let's begin. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com, then sign in to your Google account. First, open the source spreadsheet that contains the data you want to import. Next, click the browser's address bar, highlight the entire spreadsheet URL, and copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On a Mac, press Command and C. Now open the destination spreadsheet where you want the data to appear. Click an empty cell where you'd like the imported data to begin. Type equals import range, followed by an open parenthesis and a quotation mark. Next, paste the URL you copied earlier. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On a Mac, press Command and V. After the URL, type a quotation mark, a comma, and another quotation mark. Now, you need to specify the sheet name and cell range you want to import. Type the exact name of the source sheet tab, followed by an exclamation mark and the cell range. If you're unsure of the range, go back to the source spreadsheet, select the cells you want to import, and look at the name box to identify the range reference. Return to your formula and enter the sheet name and range inside the quotation marks. Once everything is entered, type the closing quotation mark and closing parenthesis, then press enter. Google Sheets will attempt to connect to the source spreadsheet. If you see a message requesting permission, click the cell containing the formula and then select Allow Access. Wait a few moments while Google Sheets establishes the connection and retrieves the data. Once the import is complete, the selected data will appear in your spreadsheet. From now on, whenever the source data changes in the original spreadsheet, the imported data will automatically update in your destination spreadsheet as well. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.